Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. I am truly grateful. Thank you so much, guys. All right guys, so it's Saturday night and it's basically another home vlog. I want to prepare some supper. For supper I want to bake some salmon steaks and make a salad or something to go with it. So I'm gonna do that, and I want to do just a little refresh over in the living room and the entryway, just to change up a few things a bit, to add a few pops of orange in there. So alright, so guys, if you want to see what the dinner looks like and what the space is going to look like at the end, please keep watching. Alright guys, so I have already started on the salmon steaks. I have 2 salmon steaks in here and I've cut it up into 4 pieces. I drizzled some olive oil over them, some Maggi seasoning, some sazon. I like to add sazon to it, and just a little bit of salt. Oh yes, and I also added this fish seasoning. Hold on, let me show you. Yeah, so I also added a bit of this fish powdered seasoning to it, just a little bit. All right, so I've had the steaks marinating there for a while, and I'm going to flip them over one more time and then put them in the oven. For the oven, I usually bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. Alright guys, so in the interest of time, I've already gone ahead and prepared the salad off camera. So you're looking at a mix of, I have some cucumbers in there, some avocados, some cherry tomatoes, some mango. What else do I have going on in there? Some cilantro, some chives, oh yes, and some red onions. So this is what I have as by way of the ingredients for the salad. It's sort of like a Mediterranean salad or something like that. Okay, so I already have that going, and then I'm going to prepare the dressing. So for the dressing, I am going to be mixing some olive oil with some red wine vinegar, and I'm going to season to taste, and then I'm going to drizzle over the salad. Okay guys, so stay tuned.